Welcome to Brake Shack. Just going to give you a little bit more information about our USB stick, which has the SLS Camera Software on. A lot of people already have the bits to make their SLS camera, or they've already got the connect sensor, and they just want the software and sometimes the power cable as well. So basically we have the software on here for both connect sensors. So that's the connect sensor from the Xbox 360. And it's also got the software on for the Connect for the Xbox One. So this one is a later camera, it's got a better resolution, but the software is not as good. So we always recommend going for the 360 one if it's for ghost hunting purposes. Like I said, the software on this has them both, and on this it also comes with instructions on how to install software, how to set it running. So yeah, all in all, if you're wanting to get your own SLS camera set up, we recommend the Xbox 360 Connect, the software, and then you'll also need power cable. So the power cable's got 3 connections. One goes into your Connect, the other one goes into mains, and the USB goes into your Windows device because it only runs on Windows. So you can use a Windows tablet, a Windows phone, Windows laptop, Windows PC. If it doesn't have the standard USB 2 connection, there is adapters you can get, generic ones that convert from that to either USB-C or micro USB. Yeah, so I'll say this video is just for this product. So the link to buy this product is in this video description, and thanks for watching.